Yes. Next, we have a subtopic that is polygons. What do you mean by polygon? Yes, in geometry, a polygon can be defined as a plane or flat. Plane or flat, two-dimensional closed shape with straight sides. It does not have curved sides. It does not have curved sides, right? In geometry, polygons means a polygon can be defined as a plane. So that is plane is, yes, polygon is a closed plane figure with a straight line, with a straight two dimensional. That means it has both length and breadth. It has both length and breadth. So that is two dimensional closed shape with straight sides. With straight sides. So it does not have a curved sides, right? That is a polygon, right? In geometry, a polygon can be defined as a plane or flat two-dimensional closed shape with straight sides. It does not have shapes. It does not have curved sides, right? For example, here we have ABC. So it has a three line segment, that is AB, BC and CA. Hence it is a triangle. So we know that a triangle is a closed plane figure which is bounded by three line segment. And second example, see, this is a, B, C, D, E, F. It has a six vertices. That is, see, this is first side, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 5, 6. A polygon has three sides, then it is a triangle. A polygon has four sides, that is quadrilateral. A polygon is of five sides, then it is a pentagon. But here we have a closed plane figure, closed polygon, that is A, B, C, D, E, F. It has six vertices and six line segment. Hence it is hexagon. Hence it is hexagon. And similar to this is also a closed plane figure. There is no, it does not have curved sides. It does not have curved sides. All the sides are two end points. So all the sides are two end points. So it is a closed plane figure, right? So we know that in geometry, a polygon can be defined as a plane or flat two dimensional closed figure. So this is length and this is breadth. So it has a two dimensional figure. So that is length and breadth. So in geometry, a polygon can be defined as plane or flat two dimensional closed shape with straight sides. It does not have a shape curve. It does not have a curved sides. It does not have curved sides, right? Next, we have two types of polygons. So first type is regular polygon, and then second type is irregular polygon, right? So regular polygon can be defined as the polygons that have equal sides and angles are known as regular polygons. See, for example, this is first one, it is a triangle. It is a triangle, right? So we know that a triangle is a closed plane figure which is bounded by three line segment. So here ABC, it has three vertices and it has three sides, that is AB is equals to BC is equals to CA, because it is an equilateral triangle, and it has three angles, that is angle A, this is first angle A and second angle, and then it is third angle, 1, 2, 3. Vertices are A, B, C, that is 3. Angles are 3, that is angle A, angle B and angle C, and it has three line segment, that is AB, BC and CA. So we know that regular polygon, so polygon that have equal sides and equal angles are called regular polygons. So here triangle is an example for triangle is the best example for regular polygon. Next, we have PQRS, right? So it has four vertices and and 4 angles. So the in the given rectangle, so PQRS is a rectangle, so it has 4 vertices and it has 4 line segments and it has 4 angles. So all the interior angles must be equals to right angles, right? So each angle of an rectangle is equals to 90 degree, right? So hence PQRS is a rectangle. So rectangle is the best example of a regular polygon. So next we have another polygon that is CABCDEF. So it has 6 sides. So this is first side, second side, third, fourth, fifth and sixth. A polygon contains 6 sides, hence it is a hexagon, hence it is a hexagon, right? So triangle, rectangle and hexagon are the examples for regular polygons. So regular polygons is nothing but it's a polygons that have equal sides and equal angles, hence this is known as regular polygons. So next we have another type that is irregular polygon, right? Irregular polygons means polygons with unequal sides and angles are known as irregular polygons, right? So polygons with unequal sides and unequal angles are irregular polygons. So that is angle ABC, it is an scalene triangle where AB is not equals to BC is not equals to AC. All the angles are different, all the sides are different, so it is a scalene triangle, right? It is a scalene triangle. So scalene triangle is an example for irregular polygon. Next we have PQRS. So it is a it shows like a trapezium, right? So we know that trapezium is nothing but only one pair of opposite sides are parallel but not equal, right? So but not equal. So according to irregular polygon definition, so polygons with unequal sides and unequal angles are known as irregular polygons. Next we have another polygon that is, see, this is a PQRSTU. So it has 6 vertices. Yes, that is 6 vertices, that is P, Q, R, S, T and U. So first side, it has second side, third side, fourth side, fifth side, sixth sides, right? So it is see, this is, it contains 6 sides, hence it is an example for hexagon. So in hexagon, all the vertices are equal and all the sides are equal, but all the angles are unequal. All the angles are unequal. So scalene triangle, trapezium and an example for hexagon is the best examples for irregular polygons. So polygons with unequal sides and unequal angles are known as irregular polygons. Okay, then I will continue in the next class. Thank you one and all children. Have a nice day.